Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are exploring one of the most important features in PowerShell, the Get Help system. This built-in feature is your personal guide to understand any PowerShell command. Now, for you to use the Get Help to learn more about the commandlet, you type Get Help, Get Process. If you want to learn more about the Get Process command, so you use the Get Help, then the name of the command that you want to check. Just like Linux, when you use the man to view more about the command that you want to learn about, and it will show you the descriptions and parameters on how to use. That is how the get help command is. So once I hit enter, the get help cmdlet will tell us the name, which is get process, the name of the cmdlet, get process, the syntax, or the parameters or option on how to use the get process. Then the description. Here they say that the get process cmdlet gets the processes on a local or remote computer. You will learn more about this commandlet using the get help commandlet. You can also view real world example using the examples parameter. This is super useful when you are still learning. Let me clear post. Get help, get service. Example. This is how you view the command using the real world example. If you want the complete documentation right in your terminal, use get help, then the get command -full. And if you prefer the online version with formatting and links, add the -online switch. Get help, get service -online. And hit enter. This opens Microsoft documentation directly in your browser. PowerShell updates often include new commands and features. It's a good idea to keep your help file current. Update help. Once I run this command as administrator, and PowerShell will download the latest help content for all modules installed on my system. Use -force if you want to skip confirmation prompts. Let's recap what we have learned today. Get help command, learn what any command does. -examples, see real usage examples. -online opens documents in your browser. Update help, keep your help library up to date. Now, you never have to Google a PowerShell command again. Just use get help. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and share to help more learners master PowerShell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.